You start your car in the morning, and it doesn't sound quite right. Maybe a ticking, grinding, or knocking sound you've never heard before. Most drivers shrug it off, but that's the biggest mistake you could ever make. Those strange noises are your car's way of crying for help before something major breaks, and ignoring them can lead to catastrophic engine damage that costs thousands of dollars to fix. In today's video, we're revealing 10 engine noises you should never ignore, what they actually mean, and how to fix them before your engine gives up. So stick around till the end, because knowing these sounds could literally save your car and your wallet. Number 1. Knocking sound from the engine block. If you hear a deep knocking or thumping sound, especially when accelerating, that's bad news. It's often rod knock. This happens when the connecting rod bearings wear out, causing the metal parts to slam against each other. Over time, it can completely destroy your engine's internal components. Ignoring this sound means you're just waiting for total engine failure. Knocking can also indicate low oil pressure or the wrong fuel octane. Check your oil level immediately and top it up if needed. If the noise persists, don't drive. Get your car to a mechanic as soon as possible. The longer you run it, the higher your repair bill climbs. Number 2. Ticking or clicking at idle. That subtle ticking sound when your car is idling or during acceleration can be a sign of low oil levels, worn valve lifters, or a leaking exhaust manifold. The ticking happens when metal components don't get enough lubrication, creating friction. Sometimes simply adding oil can quiet it down, but if it keeps ticking, your valve train might be wearing out. Over time, this can lead to poor performance and loss of power. In rare cases, the sound can come from the fuel injectors. That's normal, but if the ticking gets louder or more frequent, it's time for a full inspection. A ticking noise that's ignored can quickly lead to expensive, top-end engine repairs. Number 3. Squealing sound when you start the car or accelerate. That loud squeal when you start your car or hit the gas is usually a worn serpentine belt or loose alternator belt. These belts control vital components: your alternator, power steering, and AC compressor. When the belt slips or cracks, it starts to squeal under tension. If it snaps, your battery will die, your steering could stiffen, and your engine might overheat. The fix? Inspect the belt for wear or cracks and replace it before it breaks. It's a cheap repair compared to the damage it can cause if ignored. A quick belt replacement can save you from a roadside breakdown or a dead alternator later. Number 4. Grinding noise. During acceleration or idling, a grinding sound from your engine bay isn't something you should ever ignore. It could mean worn-out bearings, damaged timing chain, or water pump failure. When metal starts grinding on metal, you're seconds away from something breaking. If the noise comes from the front of the engine, it's often the alternator or water pump bearings. In that case, turn off the car immediately and have it inspected. Continuing to drive with grinding noises can seize your engine completely. Grinding means friction, and friction means damage. Every second you ignore it, you're shaving years off your engine's life. Number 5. Hissing or whistling sound. Under the hood. Hear a constant hissing sound when your engine's running. That usually means there's a vacuum leak or a cracked hose somewhere. Modern engines rely on vacuum systems to control air-fuel ratios, brakes, and emissions. A leak can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, or a check engine light. If the hissing gets louder, you might also be losing coolant, which could lead to overheating. Listen carefully around the hoses and intake manifold. You'll often find the leak by sound. Fixing it early can prevent fuel waste and expensive damage to the engine sensors. A tiny crack today could mean a blown head gasket tomorrow if ignored. Number 6. Popping or backfiring sound from exhaust. A loud popping or backfire from your exhaust system means unburnt fuel is igniting in the wrong place, usually caused by faulty spark plugs, bad timing, or a rich air-fuel mixture. It's a sign your combustion process is off balance, and that puts enormous stress on your engine and exhaust system. Continued backfiring can damage the catalytic converter, melt oxygen sensors, or even crack your exhaust manifold. Don't ignore this one. Check your spark plugs, ignition coils, and air filters immediately. Fixing a misfire now costs a few bucks. Waiting until your catalytic converter fails? That's thousands down the drain. Number 7, rattling or clattering at startup. If your car rattles for a few seconds right after startup and then quiets down, it could be low oil pressure, loose timing, chain tensioners, or worn-out cam phasers. The rattle happens because your engine isn't building oil pressure fast enough to lubricate internal parts. Over time, that brief dry start can cause serious wear. The fix could be as simple as an oil change or as complex as replacing timing components. Either way, don't ignore it. Consistent startup rattles often signal that your engine is on borrowed time. Use high-quality oil and change it on schedule to prevent future rattles. Number 8, rumbling or roaring from the engine bay. A deep rumbling noise often points to a failing exhaust system, particularly a leaking muffler, broken catalytic converter, or cracked exhaust manifold. It can also mean your engine mounts are worn out, causing vibration noises that sound like rumbling. Ignoring it can lead to dangerous exhaust leaks, including carbon monoxide entering your cabin. If the noise changes with RPMS, get it checked immediately. Exhaust leaks not only hurt performance, but also reduce fuel economy. Plus, you could fail emissions tests. Catch it early, and it's a simple fix. Ignore it, and you might be facing a costly exhaust replacement. Number 9, high-pitched whining. While accelerating, that whining noise that grows with speed could mean transmission issues, worn alternator bearings, or power steering pump failure. If it's coming from the front of the engine, it's likely the alternator or power steering system. But if you hear it when shifting gears, it's the transmission. Whining noises mean something's straining or not lubricated properly. Check your power steering and transmission fluids right away. Low fluid can burn out vital components within minutes. Don't wait. That high-pitched whine is your car's cry for help. Number 10, loud boom or metal bang while driving. If you suddenly hear a loud metallic bang, pull over immediately. This could be a broken engine mount, detonation knock, or even a broken piston. Continuing to drive could cause catastrophic engine failure. Sometimes a loud bang comes from the exhaust system, a backfire or misfire. Other times it's something internal, like a connecting rod snapping. Either way, it's serious. Shut off the engine, call for a tow, and have it inspected by a professional. These sounds never fix themselves. They only get louder, pricier, and more dangerous. So the next time your car makes an odd noise, don't turn up the radio. Listen carefully. Your engine speaks before it breaks. Catching these sounds early can save you from a blown motor and thousands in repair bills. Which of these noises have you heard recently? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, hit that like button, share this with your car-loving friends, and subscribe to Care Xpert for more life-saving car tips that'll keep your ride running like new.